Hey beautiful people, look at what I am making. This is a classic in my house. Let me know if you like this video. Ta-da! We have banana chocolate chip bread, or chocolate chip banana bread. I absolutely love this, and I'm going to show you how I played it. You can eat it however you want. If you want for me to show you the recipe on a video, leave me a comment down below, and I certainly will. Okay, so let's make some cuts. Let's do a little piece. This one is ready. Then we just grab pieces of cream cheese and some coffee.